Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Some hours ago, Asari Dokubo, who also doubles to be one of the Biafran Agitator, even though he had a separate organization, had made a statement that brought a lot of praises towards him by the Ndibos. But it looks like the indigenous people of Biafra, after undergoing some investigation, found out some quite disturbing information concerning him. Before we go into the news report, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Okay, let's go straight into the news update. The founder of Niger Delta People's Volunteer Force, Asari Dokubo, has been accused of working with the federal government to bring down Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. The indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, accused Dokubo of also planning with the President Muhammadu Buhari-led government to bring down Biafran separatist agitators in the southeast and south-south regions of the country. The group alleged that Dokubo was recruiting court members to work against indigenous people of Biafra members and other agitators loyal to Nnamdi Kanu. According to indigenous people of Biafra, the youth being recruited by Dokubo are to be paid 150,000 naira per month. 150,000 naira per month. In a statement by its media and publicity secretary, Ima Powerful, that was made on Monday, the indigenous people of Biafra said, and I quote, "We are the global movement and family of the indigenous people of Biafra under the command and leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We wish to remind Biafrans and the people living in the coastal region of Biafra land, which Nigeria falsely called South-South or Niger Delta, that has come to the knowledge and attention of the global family of the indigenous people of Biafra, how Asari Dokubo and his co-travelers are recruiting cultists and some deluded and gullible Niger Delta militants to fight against the Biafran cause. We don't want to dignify Asari and his criminal recruits with a response, but for clarity's sake, we decided to make this public so that people should not blame us if anything happens. Biafrans," I quote him again, say Biafrans living in both coastal area and hinterland are all part of our great nation. They must understand that Asari and his fellow traitors are trying to create confusion between Igbo Biafra and Izon Biafra, but we are waiting for his recruited boys. He should not think that we are cowards. Let him venture and see what we are capable of doing. I quote him, the indigenous people of Biafra intelligence, the unit uncovered plan about how Asari is moving around coastal areas of Biafra land, recruiting cultists and demented fellows to join the Nigerian security forces, evil politicians, including some governors in the southeast region, to come against people and blame it on indigenous people of Biafra and Eastern Security Network ESN and IPOB respectively. The public should know about this wicked plot in the coastal areas of Biafra by a few enemies of Biafra restoration. Asari Dokubo has sealed his contract with the Nigerian government and some southeast politicians in recruiting Ijaw youth to fight Biafran agitators in Biafra hinterland, precisely the indigenous people of Biafra and ESN operatives. Currently, they have opened 2 camps in Bayelsa and 1 in Iguacha. Some of the youths they approached refused the offer, while some of them accepted and proposed a salary of 150,000 naira monthly. Their plan is to merge with Ijaw militant youth, with Nigerian military and JTF. They will have military uniform and work with other security operatives to bring down those agitating for the restoration of Biafra. The indigenous people of Biafra members worldwide and Eastern Security Network should take preventive measures very quickly to avert these evil plans by these murderous agents and their evil plans against Biafra restoration. We should not hesitate to officially notify the public and Biafran through the press release, especially PANDEF, Ijaw Youth Council, elders and traditional rulers of Izon, and Ohaneze Ndibo leaders, including all other tribal leaders across coastal land of Biafra, to call Asari Dokubo to order because we are ready for them at any time they come. We are aware of the amount paid to him by Governor Hope Uzodinma, Nyesom Wike, and the Fulani people, thinking that they can stop IPOB, that's Indigenous People of Biafra, and ESN, Eastern Security Network. We would disgrace him and his boys. The Indigenous People of Biafra IPOB members worldwide should take note of this treachery by Asari Dokubo and his partners in crime. They must know how some evil political and traditional rulers and leaders across mainland are colluding with the enemies to fight against the struggle. We want to alert Biafrans that Asari Dokubo is colluding with Fulani security forces and Presidency to cause chaos and anarchy in Biafra land. They should never take us for granted. If Asari tries this evil agenda, we will smoke him out from Cotonou in Benin Republic, where he has been hiding. Oh, why would Asari Dokubo be hiding? This is quite a serious allegation. It's a strong one too, judging the fact that some hours ago, the same Asari Dokubo pushed all its weight for the Igbo presidency, insisted, going through history, how Ndibos have been marginalized, how several years, the number one spot, second and third man position in Nigeria has been slated for always the southwestern part or the north, that there's never been any chance for Ndibos to rule. Hence, he's advocating that Igbo presidency should be done now. Now, Indigenous People of Biafra leader, intelligence unit had uncovered plots allegedly being said by my powerful, how Asari Dokubo has recruited people who will now cause some sort of anarchy within the state. This is really not too nice, judging the fact that we are actually in an electionary period. We should seek for peace. I do not know how true the Indigenous People of Biafra IPOB have done their investigation to come up with this very strong allegation. But one thing is certain: when Ima Powerful speaks more often than not, there's no smoke without fire. There must have been a hearing at some point or discussion within, a short, small clan group that's bringing this kind of thing. I would beg and solicit that all parties to shield their soul and become brothers that they are truly. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let us meet in our conversation, please. What's your take on this? Do have a nice time.